Hey baby, tell me, have you ever seen a nigga chase his dreams? Leaving everything he loved behind to make the screen. Kiss his mama on the cheek, say don't worry, I'll be back. I gotta get you out this shit, I'ma hurry, I'll speed back. You see, that's the type of shit the boy be thinking when he dreaming. And he don't pay no mind to them niggas.
That station is in this box. We got our gamma hitters. Okay, we got our gold FXs. And we got those new Fabulous. Look underneath, we got backups, got the fibers, styling products, everything fits. And that's a wrap. Time to go get the suitcases. It's a big studio apartment with the balcony. So we had a kitchen space, closet space, a 44-pound suitcase right here. And this was probably, where's the other one? Oh, other one's probably like 25. There's a moving company coming around 11 o'clock. They're gonna take care of all this stuff. People really underestimate how difficult it is to move, let alone when you're packing everything into some suitcases. On the road to riches, God help me. I holler at y'all niggas when I see you, wouldn't wanna be you, cause you feel what I don't. No, man. Here's what I want, so I'ma get it poppin'. I'm rockin' despite the obstacle. Look, my nigga, what you call it possible is possible. Hey, tell my niggas keep their heads up.
Laptops are not individually placed in bin, nothing on top or the bottom plate. Sir, and if you're recording in here, you need to stop recording in here.
Sacramento to Los Angeles.
Niggas keep their heads up. We made it too damn far just to give it up. And we way too strong. This is a song for the Ville. Yeah, yeah, and baby don't cry. You know I'm coming back. I did this for the city, gotta get up on the map. And I know we gon'
First time riding first class. So literally in the very front. It's a funny feeling. But I kinda like it. I think I can get used to this.
Feel like I'm on the runway. Speed, getting ready to take flight. Just gotta go up. It's hustle, yeah. It's cool shit. Tryna find yeah. What up? It's riding great, people. Let's go. Look, what's your life like? Nigga, mine's great. I done made it out despite my city's crime rate. Every single rule, nigga, that's what I break. Hit me like an omen, seize the moment, hustle, why wait? One thing I never do is exercise hate. But I'm the illest nigga doing this in my state. Probably my country, probably this world. Anywhere I see myself, I bet I get there. If it's a throne to be sat on, I bet I sit there. If it's a crown to be worn, I bet it fit, yeah.
That thing is ripped. Next trip, I might not be able to use the same luggage. It's almost done. But we made it to Los Angeles. Let's go. Have a good day. And there it is. The Rich Barber. Rich Barber location. We're located right here on Beverly Boulevard. But we got nothing but hitters, man. We're bringing world-class service. We're bringing that fire. Come make your appointments. Schedule the link below. Come to the shop.
All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle, pay the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why all my life I've been grinding all my life, look. All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle, pay the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why all my life I've been grinding all my life, look. I'm married to this gun.